Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are on Zcash Bitcoin. So last night we had a stream. It was a really interesting one. We covered Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum as well, right? I mean, we did a little bit of a deeper analysis here, so you guys are welcome to go check that video out. And also worth mentioning that Bitcoin is actually, I mean, it just pretty much hit our area right now, and we were kind of mentioning that during the stream that we will watch for the sideways action in that area, because if there's going to be any sideways action, or starting to lose some of the low time frame levels, we will probably take another short time frame short, because reward right now, Bitcoin is a little bit overextended, so reward right now is really juicy, right? Yes, and then Zcash Bitcoin, obviously we checked a lot of alts as well, and this one really kind of felt into my eye, right? I mean, because it is kind of coming to a really good point where I do think it's going to be a good long position, or at least it's going to be a fair bet with a pretty fairly small stop loss. The stop loss is not going to be too big from what I'm seeing. So yeah, I mean, it could be potentially a really good trade. But before we show you the trade, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, punch the notification button so that you get this our videos on your front screen of YouTube, right? And we do them every day except on Sunday. So going back to the coin, right, going back to our Zcash, basically speaking, the level that I'm looking for is right here, and it's, if I'm not mistaken, it should be like 10-15% away from the fill area, and yeah, it's actually 10%. So when we look at it from that perspective, this is all-time low basically, right? So if it goes under this, it couldn't, I mean, there probably wouldn't be a area or position to take for quite a while on this coin, right? So yes, USDT version looks fairly different, but this one right now is giving us position on BTC contracts, and BTC contracts coins are lacking behind just because the Bitcoin dominance is kind of still in a turmoil. It hasn't calmed down on our point, so we're still waiting for it to see what is sort of gonna happen with alts. So yes, the stop loss in this case would be right here, basically under the new local low. So if we go under this, we create all-time low. I mean, if you're not counting this huge candle which happened on the beginning of the listing, right, which we pretty much can't at this moment, right? So that would be a new all-time low if it goes under there. So this makes it a really good point to actually take the trade. I'm going to make the area just a little bit fatter right here, and I know this area has been tested before, and you're probably telling me the same thing. This area has been tested here before, but why I'm choosing to take this area, because after it's been tested, it actually held here and then make a higher high, so it basically gained over two strong levels. So this is why I'm now going to take that some of the liquidity that was drained right here on this point back in March is going to be reinstated, and now we're again going to have a little bit of a bounce. Yes, in this case, this trade would be for a knife catch, and I usually don't knife catch, but when you have areas like this, what I'm expecting to do is to come quick in, right, and then just quick bounce. This is what I'm expecting. So if this doesn't happen like here, I'm not gonna catch it ever again. As you can see here, it was a quick reaction for like more than 10% in this case, right? So this is what I'm choosing to go for a knife catch on this one, which I don't normally do on these coins. Speaking, then we'll probably want to know where the profit targets are, and let's see. The first profit target here is going to be located around here, and this is going to be, wait, actually I'm going to make it a little bit lower because I don't want to push it too far. And the first profit target, as you can see, 14 or almost 15% on the entire coin move, and 1.8 R, so that makes it for a pretty decent first profit target. We usually go for a little bit less, but now this one is pretty good. The second profit target located right down the main area, and this is where I'm expecting that it's probably gonna reject due to the fact it's being a second test, and even though where it's headed that it's still a good a second test, right, I do think it's gonna on the second test and then bounce. It's probably gonna reject here, so it is 33% or 4.2 R. But in case, I'm gonna probably sell my whole trade here, but in case if you really want to go chase for the bull market, and you're absolutely correct at this moment, because now it really is a bull market, right, I will then aim all the way up to here, which that brings me to about 60% or 7.4 R. So this would be your last profit target, and in this case I would only leave like 10 to 20% and nothing more for the last profit target, right? I would mostly take away from my first 2 profit targets. That would be probably the best decision you can make in this case. Yes, guys, let me invite you also to our 4C Telegram channel, where we discuss stop losses, where we discuss profit takes, and all of this. Do Bitcoin analysis and Ethereum analysis on daily manner, right? And also, again, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, and I guess we will be seeing each other in the next one.